It's a beautiful morning here. Ellen's out pollinating vanilla orchids.
You can actually see it kind of sideways. I don't know how close up you are, but you know,
I'm pretty close.
There's the window. Put my hand down. So there's the window. I don't know. Anyway, I just push back the window. You can see the pollen right there. And hold that over and hold it in. Did my hand get in the way?
No, you're looking pretty good here.
Yeah, that's probably the best because most of them, I don't know, the thing's twisted. Because most of them are the other way, so you can't.
How to pollinate a vanilla orchid.